It's day 31 of my 30-day clean keto challenge. Let's get a weigh-in. So I did go up a couple ounces from yesterday, but it's okay, it's weight loss, it's gonna fluctuate. That's perfectly fine and normal. I am gonna continue on this journey and see where it leads. But in any case, let's get some breakfast in. So for breakfast, I have some bacon and eggs with avocado and Parmesan cheese. I also have my decaf here, ready to go. For dessert, I have these keto cookies from Aldi. So these are the soft baked cookies, and I don't want to let them go to waste, so I'm going to have them. But yes, they are my least favorite keto cookies around, and I'll try to make the best of them. And of course, I'm going to put some mustard on these eggs. So I'm going to enjoy this meal. I'll catch you guys later. Today is very hot out. It's a scorching day. I'm going to do my best to stay cool, and we'll see what happens. Now, I was starting to feel a little bit hungry today, so I'm going to have a little snack. I'm going to have about a cup of blackberries. So these are going to be delicious. I'm going to enjoy this. Catch you guys later.